All right, my third grade friends. It is my understanding that you are working on mysteries. So I have a mystery for you. You need to solve my code with Morse code. In your assignments, you have two examples of Morse code. You have the instruction page, and you have a page in which you can decipher a code as well as creating your name in code. So I am going to play for you some Morse code with my fancy electronics. Woo! And then you're going to decipher what I have played. So as an example, I'm going to do the word the. So here we go. Here's the. This first one is a dash. So that long one was a T, the 1, 2, 3, 4 was an H, and the dot, last dot was an E. So that was one word. So I'll pause between each letter, and then I will tell you when a new word starts. Okay, so here is your secret code. If you can figure out what it is, put it in the comments, or you can send me a message on Schoology. You ready? Here we go. It might be a different note because I don't remember which note I played. Here we go. That was the first word. Here's the next one. That was the second word. Here's the third word. Whoops, that last boop, don't do that one. It was just the last one was a long dash. Sorry, my finger slipped. And here's the last word. Here we go. So you should have 4 words. The first word is 4 letters. The second word is 1 letter. The third word is 5 letters. And the last word is 3 letters. So that should give you some clues if you weren't sure. And like I said, that third word, that last boop, was an accident. The last letter should just be a long dash. Okay? Good luck, my third grader problem solvers. How do you like my super fancy spy laboratory? Yeah! Bye.